Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to take your fitness journey to the next level with the Garmin Fenix 8 to 51mm? This smartwatch is a game changer for athletes and adventurers alike, offering a big, bright 1.4-inch AMOLED display with a scratch-resistant sapphire lens that's as tough as it is sleek. With a durable titanium bezel and a built-in LED flashlight, you'll be able to navigate even the darkest trails with ease, and the flashlight's beam is so strong you can actually see it cutting through the darkness. Many customers have fallen in love with this product, and it's easy to see why. It's well-reviewed and extremely popular. For one, the watch offers targeted strength training plans that help you power up your body's performance, endurance, and resistance to injury, and you can actually feel the difference in your muscles after a few weeks of use. The real-time stamina tracking and sport-specific workouts are also incredibly useful, and the watch's built-in sports apps are like having a personal coach on your wrist, guiding you through each exercise with a gentle beep and a vibration that's just firm enough to get your attention. The battery performance is also impressive, lasting up to 29 days in smartwatch mode and up to 84 hours in GPS mode, which means you can wear it on a long hike without worrying about it dying on you. And the watch's silent alarm will wake you up with a gentle buzz that's almost like a whisper in your ear. Plus, the built-in speaker and mic let you make and take phone calls from your wrist, and you can even use your smartphone's voice assistant to respond to text messages, which is handy when you're in the middle of a workout and don't want to stop to reach for your phone. Whether you're a serious athlete or just starting out on your fitness journey, the Garmin Fenix 8 to 51mm is an excellent choice. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.